Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll explore effective methods to mitigate skin cell inflammation in psoriasis, utilizing readily available ingredients from your kitchen without burning a hole in your pocket. I'll share two remarkable oils that can elevate psoriasis symptoms, relieving itching and burning sensations. These remedies are easily accessible, eliminating the need for tiresome visits to pharmacies or extensive searches, ensuring you can produce the oil effortlessly anytime, anywhere. Our focus today centers on the remarkable benefits of olive oil and desi ghee, as they possess the potential to elevate inflammation and reduce the impact of psoriasis. Stay tuned as we uncover the profound therapeutic properties of these oils, offering respite from the discomfort caused by psoriasis. Let's begin by delving into the exceptional advantages of olive oil for reducing psoriasis and understanding the underlying mechanism behind its efficacy. Olive oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties which play a significant role in elevating the symptoms of psoriasis. These indicate that olive oil diligently works to reduce inflammation in your body whenever it occurs. Whether it affects your skin cells in psoriasis, your joints in psoriatic arthritis, or your discomfort in psoriatic arthritis. Another noteworthy aspect of olive oil is its potential to moisturize the skin effectively. You can replenish and hydrate your skin by introducing olive oil in your skincare routine. This in turn will aid in elevating psoriasis symptoms and promote a healthier, well-nourished or radiant complexion. Thirdly, vitamin E, also referred to as the beauty vitamin, is abundant in olive oil. The presence of vitamin E in your body substantially enhances your skin. If you are dealing with skin problems or ailments like psoriasis are aggravating the skin problems. Another perk of olive oil is its rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help treat skin conditions like psoriasis. If you incorporate these into your routine, you'll surely get omega-3 fatty acids in abundance, fulfilling your deficiencies. Along with that, it will also heal your psoriasis patches. Now let's discuss how you can encompass olive oil into your daily routine to reap its benefit in psoriasis. So one simple method is to replace your regular cooking oil with olive oil, such as mustard or refined oil. By using olive oil in your culinary endeavors, not only will you enjoy its nutritional advantages, but you will also harness its skin benefits. This dietary, which can reduce psoriasis symptoms, promoting a healthier, more balanced state for your skin. Second, you can apply olive oil to your skin by mixing it with milk cream. Wherever your psoriasis patches are becoming dry and increasing and they are not getting cured, use olive oil mixed with cream these two. This will also heal your psoriasis scars which are not getting eradicated and the black spots are lying on the skin. Now, what is the second thing that will be available to you at your home inexpensively and any time? That is the desi ghee. It is possible to incorporate desi ghee into your cooking routine as a substitute for regular cooking oil. Desi ghee offers similar properties to olive oil and is known to possess anti-inflammatory qualities. One significant component found in desi ghee is lipoprotein, which can serve as an ideal alternative for individuals who experience lactose intolerance or have difficulty digesting milk. For those with lactose intolerance or psoriasis, incorporating desi ghee into their diet and applying it topically may provide you the relief and act as a substitute for lactose containing product like milk. This modification can help elevate the symptoms associated with lactose intolerance and improve the condition of psoriasis. So by doing these two, individuals affected by lactose intolerance and psoriasis can discover a viable alternative to lactose and experience positive changes in their health. So by implying these remedies, share your experience with us in the comments on how much relief you are getting in psoriasis by applying these two. You can contact us at the number provided for a permanent solution to eliminate psoriasis from its root cause. Our experienced doctor can provide consultation remotely by reviewing your images or arranging an in-person meeting to discuss and help you find effective solutions. And if you want to know anything about psoriasis or other skin disorders, feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, take care. Thank you.